3DViewStation has a whole bunch of measurement functions. So, for instance, a simple point measurement or an edge measurement. Here, the length of that edge. A little bit more sophisticated, the shortest connecting line along certain edges between 2 points. You see the result over here. Yeah, and of course for circles we have radii, diameters, center point detection and so forth, and many distance measurements, so the simplest between 2 points. But the list is pretty long, and if we go down, for instance, the distance between 2 circle axes, they will be automatically extracted or calculated, the circle axis. What else? An arbitrary selection between, let's say, a point and a face, so you can combine whatever type of object you would like to measure a distance in between. Another example, the distance between 2 solids. So you go from solid to solid, select the first, select the second, distance being calculated. If we zoom out, we finally see the result. So the shortest distance between these solids. Now let's go to angles as an example. Edges, you can determine how you would like to position the dimension, the complementary angle or the directly measured one. We can do that between faces, for instance, and as before, sometimes also between combinations. A little bit more advanced is we can have a thickness measurement, if you like, the wall thickness using a ray method, or in this case, a sphere. So the sphere is interesting in an area where you have a border, where you have a surface. It's sometimes easier with a ray. And this one here also gives you the details of a drill hole, for instance. Now, adding markups is several possibilities. As a default, if you click with a text annotation on an object, it will add the node name. But if you like, you can also add a text there. You can also manipulate that afterwards. There are more graphical primitives like lines, circles, a rectangle, and so forth. Let's do a link now. So let's say you would like to link from one object to something else. As an example, we take an URL here, in this case, to our help center. We will execute that in a minute. And as a last one, a free text, or other people call that a billboard. It can also be multi-line if you like. You can position somewhere. And this text will always be positioned at the position where it is. Clicking on the link will guide you to the link.